Hey, this is Killian McGrath with unhash.com. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a quick Binance tutorial and show you exactly how to use the platform to buy a huge variety of cryptocurrencies. I don't want to go into too much detail about the exchange itself, but for those who are looking for more information, there'll be a link in the description to our Binance review on unhash.com. I will say that I'm personally a huge fan of the exchange, and I think the trade volume really speaks to how great it is. Checking out coinmarketcap.com, they have the top 100 cryptocurrency exchanges by trade volume, and you'll see Binance is ranked number 1 by a pretty decent margin. This fluctuates day to day, but usually Binance is in at least the top 2. The first step to using Binance is, of course, to sign up. If you haven't already created a Binance account, there's a link in the description below. Full disclosure, that is an affiliate link, meaning that helps support us create videos because we receive a commission when you sign up and use the exchange based off of your trading fees. Now, since I already have a Binance account set up, I'm not going to show the process of creating a new Binance account. What I will say is the process is very straightforward. All that's required is an email address and for you to create a password. With just this information, you'll be able to withdraw the equivalent of 2 Bitcoins per day. What this means is if Bitcoin's price is $7,000, you would be able to withdraw $14,000 worth of any other cryptocurrency. Since I already have a Binance account, I'm going to start by logging in. You may need to complete a puzzle to verify that you're a human. And I have Google Authenticator set up as 2-factor verification. I highly recommend setting this up. It drastically improves the security of your account. You can find this within your account settings on the Binance exchange once logged in. Let me just find my password here, or my passcode. And there's no issue with me sharing that with you because it changes every 60 seconds. It's not like a normal password. The next step is to deposit the cryptocurrency that you want to use to trade for other cryptocurrencies. You can do this by finding deposits under funds in the menu. You're able to deposit any cryptocurrency supported by Binance that's available for trading, so long as it's not temporarily suspended or that they've removed it from their exchange. For this tutorial, I'm going to be depositing Bitcoin. However, you might want to deposit Ethereum because usually those deposits go through faster. For Bitcoin, it requires 2 network confirmations, which usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes. However, early in 2018, when there was huge network congestion, this could sometimes take days. So for that reason, during periods of high congestion on the Bitcoin network, you can try other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum. Once you select the cryptocurrency that you want to deposit, you'll be given a deposit address. Be sure to only send that cryptocurrency to this address. So for example, when I select Bitcoin, don't send Ethereum or Bitcoin Cash, only send Bitcoin to this address. Now, I'm going to assume you know how to send a Bitcoin transaction, but if you don't, it's very straightforward. We have a tutorial that I'll put in the description below on how to send Bitcoin from Coinbase to Binance. Now, once your deposit's gone through, locate the exchange in the upper left-hand corner. They have a basic and advanced view. I would highly recommend the basic view unless you're into, day trading, but if you're into day trading, you're probably not watching this video. It's going to seem a bit overwhelming at first. There's a lot of colors and numbers, but really it's a lot more straightforward than it looks. There's only about 3, maybe 4 sections of this page that we need to be paying attention to. In the upper right-hand section, you can find all available trading pairs on the Binance exchange. If you deposit a Bitcoin, you're going to want to select BTC for Bitcoin trading pairs. Here, it's a bunch of cryptocurrencies traded against Bitcoin. So say, what cryptocurrencies should we buy? Let's say we want to buy some Icon, ICX. Search that and then click ICX BTC trading pair. Now it is important to note, trading pairs on Binance are denominated in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, which is the native cryptocurrency of Binance. They launched an ICO and distributed Binance tokens, or Binance Coin, and USDT, Tether. So if you deposited something like Cardano and you're looking to turn that into, we'll say Icon, you would first need to sell the Cardano for Bitcoin and then use the Bitcoin to purchase Icon. Once you've chosen your trading pair, locate the order form right here. Binance offers 3 different types of orders. We're going to focus on the first 2 because it's unlikely that you'll need to use the stop limit for basic buying needs. With limit orders, you can both set the amount you want to buy and the maximum price you're willing to pay, or if you're selling, the minimum price you're willing to pay. For market orders, you only set the amount you want to buy, and then the exchange will automatically execute your order at the best available price. Typically, it's best just to use a market order. It's very straightforward. However, if you're buying a very large amount of a cryptocurrency, or maybe buying a cryptocurrency with an illiquid market, you might want to place a limit order. In this upper left-hand section, you can see all the sell orders from other users of the exchange for the Icon Bitcoin trading pair. Now, if I was to place a market order, it's estimated that I could buy 1,361 ICX tokens. If you look at the sell order book, you can see this order right here could easily fill. Well, new orders have been placed, but it'd be very easy for me to fill this. Now, if I was trying to buy, like I said, 100,000 or a million Icon tokens, well, then I might want to place a limit order because there might not be enough people selling to be able to buy that at a reasonable price, or what I felt was a reasonable price. Now, with that said, I'm going to go ahead and place a market order. I actually just placed a market order, so you might notice these balances here and here have changed a little bit, but I messed up the recording, so I'm going to have to place this again. I want to buy 500 ICX, and you can see that I already have a very small amount in my account. I'm going to click buy. Since it's a market order, it should execute immediately. We'll go to my balances. And yeah, now you can see I have 500 ICX in my Icon wallet on the Binance exchange. Once you've made your purchase and you're done with trading, I would highly recommend withdrawing all of your cryptocurrencies from the exchange. It's not that Binance is sketchy in particular, it's just that it's always a good idea to not keep cryptocurrency on exchanges. Exchanges have been hacked in the past, and while I think it's unlikely with Binance, you never know. Another thing is that keeping your money on a centralized exchange kind of defeats the whole purpose of cryptocurrency. The idea behind cryptocurrency is to be your own bank, so I'd highly recommend finding a good secure wallet for whatever cryptocurrency you purchase. I'm going to put this in the description below, but we have a full guide to finding the best cryptocurrency wallet on unhash.com, so check that out. For Icon in particular, I'd recommend the Ledger Nano S, which is also our choice for the best wallet overall. For those of you storing large amounts of cryptocurrency, I highly recommend getting a hardware wallet. It is just incredibly more secure than keeping it on your computer or a mobile wallet or an exchange. Well, that's it for this Binance tutorial. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to us for more helpful cryptocurrency tutorials and cryptocurrency news updates.